Having trouble activating your Boost Mobile eSIM with the QR code? You're not alone. Many users experience issues. The main reasons a Boost Mobile QR code might not work are camera problems, incorrect device settings, or expired codes. First, ensure your camera lens is clean and that you have adequate lighting. Make sure the Boost Mobile app has camera permissions enabled in your phone's settings. Expired QR codes are also a common issue. These codes are time-sensitive and expire within 24 to 48 hours. You can get a new QR code from the Boost Mobile app or website. If the QR code still isn't working, try these troubleshooting steps. First, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Remember, you need more than just Wi-Fi for the scan itself. Next, clear the Boost Mobile app's cache to remove any temporary data that might be causing issues. In the app, find the QR code troubleshooter tool. As of October 2025, Boost Mobile's app version 12.5 Plus includes real-time error diagnostics that can scan your device settings and suggest fixes. Double-check that your device is compatible with Boost Mobile eSIMs. This includes iPhone XS and newer, Pixel 3 and newer, and select Android devices. If these steps don't work, contact Boost Mobile support for device-specific assistance or to get a new, valid QR code. Reset camera permissions for the Boost Mobile app. Go to Settings, then Privacy, then Camera to ensure access is granted. Finally, make sure your phone is not blocking camera access for the app. This could be due to privacy settings or other restrictions.